yazi nina niyangicaka yazi isikhathi senu sinjani sesikhuluma ngebafana guys because lapha esikhuphini siyashota Rodman lalo ngamreplace uSithole ayikabi ngamreplace umjito mnandi Rodman la ngicela uzazise can you introduce yourself ngegama isibongo also tell our viewers wethu ukuthi uhlala kuyiphi kasi and udlalela iphi team
Sure abafethu ngutebogo Mthimkhulu ngihlala khona eKenza originally but ngila eRockville so bengidlala eMtagasi.
So abantu eKasi bakwazi ngobani
bangazi ngoModric Ronnie Mthimkhulu
uyezwa ke ngeke bakubize ngoModric ungalazi ibhola so Rodman lami igama lika Modric licale yipi icale kanjani
bengidlala iGod Chosen eVodacom yaseMpumalanga so there was that coach uAbraham wangibiza nje ngoModric yeah
so Rodman lami uyazi lento yediski inomlando mos so Rodman liqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola yini into emcucuzelile ukuthi adlala ibhola and ubani player ukhulele ubukela phansi kwalo as role model
yeah ngaqala ngina 5 idiski into yasekhaya vele uyayibona nabo Rodman sikhula vele basifundisa idiski mina iplayer ngathi bengikhula ngilithanda uSteven Pienaar
shout out to Steven Pienaar bafethu so Rodman masikhuluma ngeProSide football favor mapha ama team
like asangifavor ngale overseas ngifavor nje Man City.
Okay so Rodman lami as a player ngifuna ukukhuthaza intwana you know sometimes mawungena egroundini kuba khona ipressure and all that so when as a player how do you prepare yourself for ama games and how do you handle the pressure
Prepare ama game nje ukuvuka nje kuseni usitshelile ukulala nje usitshelile ukuthi ngiyodlala ibhola yabona udlala into oyithandayo so uma udlala into oyithandayo obvious uzoba committed kuyo yabona so prepare nje from igame ingakaqali yabona ngokuthi u rest enough ufike vele uvuke udle grand u rest enough bese udlala ibhola lakho nje hayi ukuthi udlale in udlala nje ibhola lakho balila inhlizweni sure
so Rodman lami as you get grounding umuntu odlala ibhola ngakubona wakho which position is the hardest grounding and why
it's midfield because hlale kugijinywa yabona so noma i-team ingaperformi kahle bazokutshela ukuthi asilungisene emidlilini uyayibona noma kumele kudlalwe kumele iqale from emidlilini imidlile kumele idlalise ama forward yabona so yeah I had this position nje midfield
so iliphi player owadlala nalo eli best as a teammate iplayer owadlala nalo eli best as opponent and iliphi player ongakaze owadlala nalo ongafisa ukudlala nalo as a teammate
ngakhe ngikhule no section uqalinga yeah from Mfulo I best player ngathi ngakhe ngadlala naye uqala wa Jasmine iplayer ngifisa nje ukudlala nalo uKiba Chato Kiba
okay so ngizokubuza iquestion lezo uthanda ukuba trick ne so which one do you prefer ukuthi coach akushaya ngebench full match or akusubstitute first half or akufaka kukhiphe
hayi mina ngivila ngathi akufaka kukhiphe because ayisani ukungadlali kwakho angakutsheli futhi message ayisani izokushaya uyabona yeah ngifuna ngathi akukhiphe after so udlalile yeah
so ngicela ubonise ama viewers wethu ukuthi wena bakubizi ngoModric nje ibhola vele ulazi ngokudlala and ulazi nangokulibukela so kuba bafana yipi problem esinayo ungathanda ukuyilungisa le World Cup esidlalayo current
yabona kule game esiphuma kulo ngifila ngathi le system ka coach amachita bangayijwayelanga uyayibona because from I preparation azange sadlala nga5 yama defend so kuzoba difficult that's why beba iMexico phela it was not that tough so ukuthi itrainwe nje ukuthi amachita they were always marking yayibo kuphela yeah
okay so Rodman lami anywhere of the day for intwana ezincane esifuna ukukhula adlala ibhola ngendlela right
ngicela ukuze le Rodman lele hayi sho bafethu hayi all about ukuba nje discipline yabona mongaba discipline uyenza into oyithandayo nje kuphela nentwana isani sesikhula kule generation yokuthi esani kune ama hable date utshwala uyabona ngifila ngathi from I guidance asendlini yeah iyo nje from I guidance asendlini
yabona for isikhathi sakho my bro before sivala ithi gone kanje